As you could see, fellas trying and kill me in the cell. Fellas trying and juke me in my cell with push. Until you come and try and juke me for fence and for push. You check where I coming from. I take it from him. Look, he trying to spray, send gas, all kind of thing behind me. You hear me? Spraying me with big gun. All kind of thing. I can't even breathe properly in my cell. All kind of thing there. You check where I coming from. Yeah. Watch my gate. All by my gate is water and thing. All by my gate is water and thing. You see? You see why it's there? You try to tell you, and the police there, the police not doing nothing about that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers' discretion is advised when watching this video. This is the part 2 of Arkham Asylum prison in St. Lucia. Now, my intel on the outside down in a castries send me this. I'm gonna have to play them exclusive video for everybody. Cause we talk about Arkham Asylum prison in St. Lucia. That it is understaffed, dangerous for the inmate them, dangerous to everybody. One day, all of them prisoners there are gonna escape on the population of St. Lucia. Watch and see if they don't fix that place. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, this is an exclusive because only hear me talk about Arkham prison all the time. And when me talk about Arkham, one of the things allow me to tell this, that, blah blah blah. Well, this right here is an exclusive look.
All kind of things there already. You know what I mean? Right by my gate, and I lock up inside. I lock up inside a cell, as you can see. Inside of a little cell, I lock up. And there's nothing I could do to try and protect myself. Because the man have his push on the outside. How much of them outside, as you could see? Or like now, as you could see. As you could see. As you could see. You see him, that is him there. That is him there. That guy there. Babu no. Yeah, as you could see, Babu no. That is him there. This guy there. You hear me? All of them. You hear me? Yeah, all of them, neighbors. I just see the man, let's run up with the stick trying to juke me. I go stay there for the man to juke me. I move myself by the gate, guys. When I move, the man still come and send a stick inside. Try and make the stick juke me with a push. I still move. I move. I still move because I go stay there and make a man send a stick and make a stick juke me and I lock up in a cell. I cannot hit you back. I cannot do you nothing. You hear me? The man still go and tell me coming back, he's going to tie a fence and his push. Come back with his long stick. With his fence on it and try and flush me again. I still like telling him, I ain't saying nothing. Do what you're doing, the police and them ain't saying nothing. But the police and them, they ain't saying nothing in their mother con. They're not saying nothing. You know what I mean? One female officer there, she cannot help, she cannot do nothing. She cannot do nothing. If they have to kill me inside there, what she could do? She cannot do nothing. One female officer. You hear me? And they have endless inmates outside.
Now, you all see the video and you all see how wild that prison look. Yo, I tell you, listen, I couldn't imagine do all a minute in that the blood clot prison. Pardon my language, people. But there is one female guard on that range right there, and it's supposed to be a work range where guys them go out and I guess do jobs in the prison, because anybody who know prison know that it's inmate who really do all the work and the guard them just turn key. But how secure is a prison when you have one female guard in a male prison with a bunch of rapists and murderers? Okay? Explain that to me. Now, you see, you have a fight a start in the prison. Them go to the brother they cell, them attack him. I need to repeat this again. How can you have one female guard on a wing in a prison or a range or whatever in the prison with a bunch of killers and rapists and robbers? They can kidnap her in there and rape her and kill her. Do they realize this? Do they realize this? Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Him even take away the attacking weapon from them, you know. Because it look like that boy they can't fight who them attack. That boy they look like him can't fight. Him take away the weapon and him show away the weapon. So this are the weapon, them spray bacon in I'm selling up. And all of this are happening in a real time. And the guard, they right there, so this don't make sense. This is very, very serious. The prisoner is out of control, and I hope the Prime Minister, who is Minister of National Security, can do something about this, because he is Minister of National Security. So all of the national security issue fall under him. Now, to be honest, this is one of the biggest national security issue. How slack Arkham borderly prisoners in the island of St. Lucia. Here's another video.
Yes, look all the pieces of sticks he's sending inside of the cell trying to juke me. As you could see, all the pieces of sticks. With the piece of iron that was on the stick, he trying to juke me with the other piece of iron. You see it have a long piece of iron to try and juke me in my throat. You see? But it stick, when he try and juke me with it end up sticking in the thing, because I have a little curtain on my gate, as you could see. I have a little curtain on my gate. So it end up sticking on my gate. Sending endless things inside there in me. And kill me, and they still say they go burn me inside of the cell with gas and send acid and all on me. And they only have one female officer, and that female officer standing up there, and she's not calling back up for them to do things, and they have endless guys outside, endless people outside there right now there. You hear me? And I kind of wait right now. I cannot even help myself.
First, let me start off by saying I thank the lady in her castries who sent me this video. You understand? You're doing a good job in St. Lucia. You're a good citizen, mom. Okay? Now, I just played a series of video, and I hope when the authority see this, the ear at the back of them neck stand up. I hope they get embarrassed. You understand? I hope them talk to the guard them that was supposed to be on duty and ask them, how come you have the prison a run like worse than road to blow out? Every man a run wild all over the place. They must stab off a man in a cell. You understand? Them trying to take that young man life. I don't know why he's there. Let me say, thank the lady for sending the video, but it doesn't matter. Everybody's safety should be priority in that prison. And as far as I see, that prison is a big national security threat for St. Lucia. And if they don't do something very soon, I'm telling the people them of St. Lucia, you're gonna have a major escape from that prison. And then you're gonna have all the rapists, all the murderers, all the robbers unleash up on your all community down there in St. Lucia. So I hope they can protect the inmate them, protect who need to get protect. You understand? Bring the man them go a court. Do what you need to do. But this situation right here, I've never ever seen it in any prison. And I'm talking to a friend of mine as we speak, and believe me, they have never ever seen this. Not even Jamaica prison is this disorderly. That is not a prison. I don't even know what to call it. It's unnameable, and I'm laughing, but it's not funny. I don't know what to call it in terms of a prison. Oh yeah, I do. I think I do, don't I? Yeah. Arkham Asylum. That's what it is. Arkham Asylum. And I hope the Prime Minister, I'm not gonna call you Prime Minister this time here, and the Justice Minister, and whoever is in charge, do something about this national security threat and protect the inmates them. You can't have inmates attack inmates in front of officers and them not doing anything. The attackers running all over the place. The right protocol is to shut down the range, search everybody, make sure everything is in order. That has not happened in this case, and it is sad. Now, last but not least, before I go, that female guard, and this is going out to all them female guards. How can you, by yourself, run an entire dorm filled with rapists and murderer? How do you let your supervisor do you like that? How can your supervisor do that to your supervisors? Don't do that. That is very dangerous. One woman to about 1 million rapists and killer. That's dangerous. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.